Hi, my name is Nurul Az-Zahrah My metric number is TF190130. I am from section 9. Okay, this is my profile. I am from Faculty of Civil Engineering and Built Environment. Next is let's we overview my hometown, which is Tanjung Balau. The rock at Tanjung Balau are the beach rock with one stress features that hold the ancient secret of life and earth. The prehistoric geological site beach rock are unique and shown distinctive rock formation. It is older than those of the Permian period, which began about 270 million years ago. The Tanjung Balau prehistoric geological site exposed meta-sedimentary rock with records of tectonic history, part of the eastern belt of the peninsular Malaysia. The rock, consisting predominantly of meta-quartzite, phyllite, and slate, are believed to be Permo-Carboniferous age. And then, the obvious of the geology event recorded and implied in this rock are well reflected by various types of complex and classic geological structure. Their geometry and orientation of individual structure and their relations to other structure can be enshrined of at least 3 main phases of deformation. Alright, next is the location. The light blue color is the beach area. And then we started tour from the Tanjung Lompat to Tanjung Balau. Let's see the real view of this beach of my place. Alright, let's go. Sandy soil is a soil with a high percentage of sand or large soil particles. It mainly which is the sandy soils, is the only way to increase the ability to retain water and the nutrient. As example, for the planting, humus is more effective in the presence of clay. If our soil have a very little clay content, we can add some at the same time as the organic matter. And then, compost, peat moss, well-rotted manure or easily available organic matter are good choice for working into sandy soils or for mulches. These mulches that compose slowly like bulk chunks. Rapidly decomposing mulches like compost and manure are more effective at improving the soil. Next, let's we overview for the Pengerang Integrated Petroleum Complex (PIPC). This is a project development in Pengerang. It is one of the largest investment in the Pengerang district, and it is located on a single plot of land measuring about 20,000 acres. Development of the PRPC moves Malaysia's economy and creates huge job opportunity for the nation. As PIPC is strategically located at the southeast tip of Peninsular Malaysia, it offers access to existing major international shipping lanes and excellent road network to Singapore and other major ports in Peninsular Malaysia. Approximately 22 km of access road was constructed to build road connection with high-strength geotextile as special reinforcement to promote a stable embankment and a cost-effective engineering solution. These are the problems that occur during the construction. Basically, the access road is one of the primary components of the project, which can shorten transportation distance and also the time. A series of balsa reinforced embankments have been designed by the consultant to form the access road network based on earthwork cut and field profile of the existing ground terrain. We can see from the figure 1A and also the figure 1B. Based on the road elevation, the embankment height of the access road is within 2.5 meter to 19.5 meter. The Pengerang site area mainly consists of alluvial soil such as sand, silt, clay and peat. 18 standard penetration tests were carried out at the reinforced embankment access road. Boreholes were drilled underneath until the hard layer, and the SPT reading was collected at every 1.5 meter center to the center depth. Based on the soil investigation report, the foundation typically comprises about 4 meter of soft soil, followed by 19 meter by 11 meter of medium stiff silt and subsequently by the hard layer. As you can see, the figure 2 is the results, and then this is the figure 3 and 3B shows the soft soil condition on site. The top layer of the foundation with soft high plasticity silt and clay layer was unable to support the high road embankment. With a high embankment sitting on soft ground foundation, proper design is critical in ensuring the stability of the embankment. Prefabrication vertical drain or PVD was proposed to some parts of the access road embankment to accelerate the consolidation of the soft soil. The soft layer, such as very soft clay or peat, was removed and replaced with the engineered fill prior to laying the geotextiles. Large or sharp objects that might puncture or tear the geotextile was also removed. Polymer as a separator geotextile was also placed on the foundation. Granular material was backfilled on top of the separator geotextile as a drainage blanket. Subsequently, PVD was installed by vertical vibrating a hollow steel mandrel into the required depth of the soft foundation soil. As we can see, the figure 4 is show the installation of the PVD in layer continuously in primary machine direction perpendicular to the line of the access road embankment. This show the figure 5. The selected engineered backfilling was carried out by bulldozer to spread out evenly and was compacted with heavy machinery until the final design platform level was established as per construction drawing. We can see at the figure 6 and 7. The embankment with more than one layer of high-strength geotextile was required to have about 0.5 meter spacing with suitable backfill material placed in between each layer of the geotextile. In this case of the embankment without PVD, Meravi pad was laid indirectly on the prepared subgrade without the drainage blanket. Figure 6 and is show the embankment backfilling on the top of the 10 cat Meravi pad high strength geotextile, and also the figure 7 is show the compaction of the embankment filled by the heavy machinery. So basically, the embankment constructed with the basalt reinforcement using geosynthetics enable the maximization of the embankment height and minimization of the embankment area. The simple installation of geosynthetics allow the construction to be finished within a tight time schedule. Basalt reinforcement involving the PVD minimize the settlement and increase the consequent rate of gain in foundation shear strength. Hence, the access road embankment for PIPC was completed on the schedule, and the use of the geosynthetics results in significant cost savings compared to the other conventional methods. So that's all from my video. Thank you.